Jamie, I've always wondered why so many people choose to retire in Thailand.
It's a great question, Alex. Let's explore some of the reasons.
One of the biggest reasons is the cost of living. It's significantly cheaper here compared to many Western countries.
Exactly. You can live comfortably on a fraction of what it would cost back home. Plus, the food is amazing and affordable. Another big draw is the climate. Thailand has a warm, tropical climate year-round, which is perfect for an active lifestyle.
And the lifestyle here is so relaxed. You can enjoy outdoor activities, explore beautiful landscapes, and still have time to unwind. Healthcare is another important factor. Thailand has some of the best medical facilities in the world, and the cost is much lower than in many other countries.
That's right. You can get high-quality care without breaking the bank. The rich culture and friendly community are also big reasons why people choose to retire here.
Absolutely. You can immerse yourself in a new culture, make new friends, and feel at home. So, there you have it. Thailand offers a unique combination of affordability, climate, healthcare, and culture that makes it an ideal place to retire.
If you're considering your options, Thailand is definitely worth a closer look. Sign up now for more insights on AI, finance, and how you can retire early.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our video if you found this helpful. And remember, you can always reach out to us for more information. Happy travels!